I'm at Middleton Lakes. No, I'm not. Morning. Recording on my phone this morning. Might get my bigger camera out in a bit if there's something worth photographing, but I haven't got it out straight away because today I'm over at Ladywalk Nature Reserve. Now, I wasn't going to renew my subscription for this place because really I've never really got, well, I don't feel like I've ever got a good photo here. And I know it's a bit of a waste of money really, but saying that, it's literally 5 minutes away from my house, and it's a change. So the other day I thought, oh, what the hell, so I just paid for the subscription, the early subscription. I think it's £30, it's 30 or 35, I can't remember. And then my card turned up yesterday, so I thought, well, I'll come over and I'll have a look. But I'll kind of call it Cormorant City because that's all there is here, just cormorants. But you never know, there might be something else here this year. I don't know, bald eagle or something. Let's go and have a look. Well, I've come up to the hide on the hill, and you can't really get close to anything, but you've got a good view of over the lake, and all you get, like I said, is cormorants. And I've got a couple of shots of the cormorants flying by, but because you're up on the hill and it's really windy today, it's freezing. So you can't have the window open for more than 10 minutes. Yeah, I'm freezing, so I'm going down. I've took a couple of shots, and no doubt I'd get some better ones if I stayed, but it's really cold. So I'm knocking that on the head. It was the Riverwalk hide. So yeah, I've just been into the Riverwalk hide, and it's quite high up on the hill, and you can get some good photos of the cormorants flying past and things like that. But it's really windy. Well, it is up there, and I've got the wind blowing straight into the hide, straight at my face, and I'm not freezing myself like I did yesterday. I've stuck an extra jumper on today as well, and I'm still cold. Gloves as well. So spring hasn't properly kicked in yet. I got a couple of shots, so they might be alright, they might not. Let's crack on. Spent 10 minutes in another hide, which is normally kind of the best hide here. Can't think what it was called. Is it Riverwalk? No, I don't know. I need to start learning the names of the hides that go in. But no, it was nothing happening at all, just gulls. I think I got a couple of shots of some tufted ducks, but that's about it. It's just, it's no good. It's still a little early though in the year for a lot of birds over here. It's normally quiet at the best of times, so it really needs to like pick up before it's kind of worth coming over here really. I've had a walk down by the river to see if there was any sand martins, because somebody told me the sand martins are back. I think I saw 2, and that's it. So I'm kind of walking back now through the woodland. I'll probably pop in every little hide on the way back. Bit of a waste of time really, but I don't know, you never know. Keep trying to keep my eye open for tree creepers. I've only got one shot of a tree creeper before and it weren't the best, so it'd be nice if I could get a nice photo of a tree creeper. But as I've said before, I think I haven't seen many of them ever, so my chances of finding them are pretty slim. But we'll crack on. So I'm almost back at the car. I think that's it. It's pretty pointless. So if this even does make a video, thanks for watching. Until next time. So the sun's come out a little bit and the wind's dropped a little bit. So I'm a bit reluctant to go straight in because I only really get to go out of a weekend as I work all week. And by the time I get home, at the moment, there's no light. So I try and make the most of it as much as I can. But I do feel guilty that I'm not doing anything in the house. You know, those little jobs that need doing and things like washing the car, cutting the grass. But oh well. I'm just going to have a walk up towards Whitaker. There's a path down the side of, where am I? Ladywalk. As you come out by the car park, that's got a load, like a row of trees. And this row of trees has loads and loads of woodpecker holes in them. Now the chances are there's going to be some woodpeckers there. So I'm going to have a quick walk and a quick look. I can hear a woodpecker to my right, but that's not where I want to be.